आईटी में मैंने सुना है स्टेबिलिटी काफ़ी
कम है।
स्ट्रगल है, कम ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, बट येस क्वाइट स्ट्रगलिंग. व्हाट्स द आइडियल स्टेबिलिटी हैज टू बी?
See, earlier times were different. Okay, people are looking at long term, 5 years, 7 years. That's what they looked at. But today, I would say 3 years is a good time frame for a person. And if the person wants to really grow, he would be here for 5 years also.
5 years. 5 years in IT.
No, I'm saying 3 years is a good time.
Okay.
But if he wants to grow more, and if he feels that this company is giving them the right growth and platform, then he can continue.
Okay. कई बार सर ऐसा होता है, आप भी बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चों से मिले होंगे, बिकॉज मैं ऑलमोस्ट रोज़ मिलती हूँ. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, एमटेक कर लिया, बट नहीं करना था. दैट वाज नॉट माय फील्ड, दैट वाज नॉट माय इंटरेस्ट एरिया, एंड आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग इट interesting for my upcoming career.
See, again, it's a thought. Okay, for XYZ reason, the parents have chosen because they want to do the best for their child. Okay, yes, engineering karega to banda responsible banega. Okay, he or she will get serious, but when they are in that course of 4 or 5 years of engineering, they don't find the satisfaction that this is my line, you know. But they're doing it for their parents' sake. They also become engineers.
Correct.
That's fine. But they don't click for interviews in companies. Okay. So I would not say that they are bad, but unfortunately their aspirations do not meet the right kind of environment what they are looking for.
Right.
So if they don't meet the environment, they will not be successful.
Correct.
Right. So in the end, they would go and join a bank. Okay. I have a lot of friends of mine who have done engineering. But today they are in the bank, and they are very happy about it. So they don't have any regrets that मैंने क्यों नहीं join किया.
Graduation के हिसाब से कर लिया.
Yeah, I also have people who are into the food and beverages. Okay, they are master chefs and all, but today they are not in that line. Okay, they have completely different line. So it don't matter. It's something. It's the opportunity. It's the interest. It's the time. All three matters. You had the aspiration to go in X industry, you didn't get a chance. You went for a different industry. Why? Because of money. Okay. Today, are you happy with that money? Maybe, maybe not.
Right.
Okay. So there are very factors to it.
So you mean to say that people should not be worried about their qualification, education, certificates? They should follow their passion.
Passion with a seriousness where you understand what you have. Okay.
Right.
Don't look at it as कि मैं ये करने के बाद मेरा ये इतना ग्रोथ है. Do you have a mentor to it? कौन है ये लाइन में? Who can guide you? ये करना है मुझे.
But mentorship is mandatory.
I would not say mandatory. It is guidance. Guidance is must.
Right.
Even today for me also, I would say yes, definitely. I would never say that I know it all. चंबल बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा नहीं है.
हमको सब आता है.
हाँ, तो हमको सब आता है, but हमें सीखना है.
Yes.
ये लाइन ऐड करना चाहिए आगे.
Okay. और सीखना है.
और सीखना है, हमें और सीखना है.
ओके, ठीक है. सो सर एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा. आईटी इंडस्ट्री में जितना जो रैपिड चेंज हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से अपग्रेड करना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो कैसे लोगों को अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना चाहिए? जो फ्रेशर्स आ रहे हैं वो इसको कॉलेज में कुछ और पढ़ा रहे हैं, आपको कुछ और चाहिए, एंड 2 साल बाद फिर कुछ और चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
सो हाउ पीपल शुड अपग्रेड?
आई थिंक यू शुड सेल्फ ट्रेन योरसेल्फ. Okay, only when you self-train on the new environment, new technologies, okay, only then you will be able to grow. Okay, because there are a lot of things. For example, I'll give you Nokia. Nokia was the mobile king in 1996 in the world. Okay, but they never evolved. Okay, they never decided to change the models. Nothing. They were stuck to that, and today they are finished. So only change is the only thing which is constant.
Yes.
And you must follow it.
Correct. ये जो हायरिंग फायरिंग है आप लोग बहुत करते हो.
नहीं, हम हायरिंग फायरिंग के नहीं बिलीव करते. It is basically there are a lot of dependencies. Okay, a lot of factors that come in. No company enjoys or wants to do the firing.
Of course.
Never, because there's a lot of efforts gone to hire the person across.
True.
From various industries, right? There are a lot of colleges, the people have put a lot of efforts, and then in the end, you don't want to come back and say that, you know what, इन सबको निकाल लो. ऐसा नहीं है. But उनका factor क्या हो जाता है Okay, if there are clients which were supposed to join your company, you know,
Right.
and some clients back off, okay, so there's no revenue coming in. Okay, how are you going to hold them? Okay, you keep them on bench for 2 months, 3 months, okay. But after that, what? Okay, the company cannot bleed, right? So then it's better that they say, you know what, since you don't have work and you're sitting idle, it's better you look at for more aspirations outside. And I think people today don't feel that company is firing them. Yes, okay, maybe company नहीं है, तो बेच देते हैं. So bench concept अभी भी चल रहा है
Yes.
everywhere, right?
Yes.
So you have to understand. अगर bench concept नहीं हुआ, तो company will go down.
करेक्ट.
तो होना ही है.
बट आज भी इंडिया में जॉब सिक्योरिटी को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा मिथ्स हैं और मुझे लगता है ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है. आई रिमेंबर माई कॉलेज डेज, हमारे यहाँ GDPI का प्रैक्टिस होता था. उसमें टॉपिक मिलता था प्राइवेट जॉब वर्सेस गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स.
Okay.
तो मुझे तो पता था मुझे गवर्नमेंट जॉब नहीं मिलेगी. सो आई वाज ऑलवेज अ साइड ऑफ प्राइवेट जॉब्स कि इसके क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं, कैसे बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में लिमिटेड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. तो करियर्स, मुझे लगता है जॉब सिक्योरिटी is something which
Correct.
everybody wants.
Correct. So I would say, okay, let me address both the points. Okay, government job.
Yes.
Government job, huge security. Okay.
Yes.
But Philus, the factor of compensation, okay, is not quite encouraging. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but yes, there are some people who want to go for a government job where they find security, where later on they can, you know, give to their family. So it's your mindset, what you want to do. Okay. Similarly, someone who's in a private sector, he knows that this is a job where he or she would not be there for a longer time. So they decide to save money, okay, invest in right things. Okay. So both the factors you look at, someone who's working for 10 years makes the same money as somebody for 5 years. But this 5 years person is evolving to work for the 10 years with more money.
Yes.
So that's something which you look at. So both the ways you're okay. It's your interest. You know, it's not both jobs. My parents were government employees. Okay, they were working in the bank. Both of them are SBI employees, and they have enjoyed this stint, and we have also enjoyed because of the benefits that the bank give.
Yes.
So it's everywhere there's a plus and a minus.
करेक्ट. सो ये जो IT इंडस्ट्री में एक बात कही जाती है 40-45 साल में रिटायरमेंट वाली, ये सही है क्या?
अभी sorry, why do you term it as only IT industry में?
बिकॉज सर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, आई एम फ्रॉम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, तो मैंने तो लोगों को वहाँ से रिटायर्ड होते देखा है. पीपल स्टार्ट्स जर्नी एज एन अप्रेंटिस ट्रेनी और दे रिटायर्ड एज अ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और मे बी अ जनरल मैनेजर.
Okay.
सो IT में मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा, इसलिए.
उसमें क्यों नहीं होता है? Because of again it's the compensation. Okay, what a person works in a manufacturing or a government sector, he or she retires at the age of 60. Okay, someone in IT retires at the age of 40 because of the amount of money that they are making.
Is it? It's a fact?
It's a fact.
Oh, I thought I was just making.
If you have the right finance planning, definitely, and if you have the technology and if you have the right growth, yes, why not?
Okay. So you mean to say एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में आप जितना 60 साल तक कमाते हो वो आप IT में 40 में कमा सकते हो. So you are giving idea to the audience that you should join IT industries instead of manufacturing.
See, IT is something which is always going to be there. Okay, without technology, no country can be developed. Okay. So you have to be a part of it.
Okay.
Okay, manufacturing is something where you look at in terms of the blue collar jobs. Okay, they are not say technology savvy, but they are hard workers. Okay, so now today when you make cars today, 50% of the companies, okay, they all have robots as such. Why? So they don't need people, right? So it's evolving. In the end, there's going to be a time where all the people will have to look at something else, where everything's going to be on machine.
True.
So you look at that.
Okay, I'll take it.
So
But not with fully.
Yeah, but also there are people who respect people who are given their 30 years, 40 years, and they want to continue. Okay, because they can get a machine more cheaper, but they say because of these labors, I'm getting much more benefits. So rather continue.
Correct.